Hi there. Want to add text to a picture? You don't need online tools or any fancy software. Copilot AI in PowerPoint can do it for you. Select the picture and go to the Picture Format tab. Click Edit Picture. The AI Tools window opens. Adjust the zoom as desired. Click the text icon. Choose a text style. Set the text box position. Type your text. Set font color, font type, and size. Apply other formats or effects. When done, click Save. The process will take a moment. Your original picture is now replaced with the edited one.